1963, a successful World's Fair put Seattle on the map. Bye Bye Birdie was the top movie at the box office. Beatlemania began sweeping the nation. And on August 1st, a 12-year-old Seattle girl was brutally stabbed by a distraught postal worker. Prior to the attack, the assailant unsuccessfully sought help. The young girl recovered, but the violent act shocked the community. Her parents and other concerned citizens rallied together and began exploring the possibility of establishing a new telephone service for people in crisis. Because of their efforts, Crisis Clinic began taking calls in February 1964. In the beginning, calls were answered by trained professionals, social workers, psychologists, doctors, and clergy who volunteered to answer calls from their homes and offices. Training for lay volunteers began soon after, and by the end of the year, the clinic had answered more than 1,700 calls for help and established itself as a vital community resource. In 1966, Crisis Clinic became the inspiration for a major motion picture, The Slender Thread. The film starred Sidney Poitier as a University of Washington student and crisis line volunteer who arranges the rescue of a suicidal woman played by Anne Bancroft. It also grew public awareness for a great need. In 1968, United Way asked Crisis Clinic to start answering their information and referral line, which helped people find health and human services resources. Thus began a long and successful partnership with United Way that has spanned decades, including the development of King County 211 in 2006. In recent years, Crisis Clinic has continued to innovate in order to meet emerging needs, with new services such as the Washington Recovery Helpline, a line for people with substance abuse or behavioral health issues, Teen Link for assisting young people struggling with difficult issues, and the Washington Warm Line, a peer-answered helpline for individuals living with mental illness. They've also begun using innovative technologies such as chat and text to help more people than ever before. Since the beginning, Crisis Clinic has taken more than 5.5 million calls for those in need. They have been an innovator in providing crisis intervention, information, and referral services. Their continuing dedication and work is intended to grow and respond with our changing community. Each volunteer works toward a common goal, ensuring that a caring and understanding voice is available to help every person in crisis. Crisis Clinic, 50 years of helping lives on the line.